Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. Firstly, I recommend it to open EDIFIER CONNECT application and you need to check for updates. Here I haven't because I have the last software version, but if you haven't, install a new one. Also, what can help you is to place your earphones to the charging case, then close the case and wait about 15 seconds. The battery level of your charging case and your earbuds will update, and after that time you just open the charging case and check your earbuds. Now, if it didn't help you, also we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, we have two options how to do this. We can use the application, and in the application you need to go to the settings at the right top, but just give a second to this application. So you go to the settings at the right top, and right here at the right side we have factory settings. Tap at this line and click confirm. Or you can put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that press 3 times the connection button. 1, 2, 3. Now we need to reconnect these earbuds with your phone, so go to the settings, then Bluetooth for connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return to the Bluetooth. After factory settings, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you don't need to use connection button, you just tap at your earbuds at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!